and welcome back to the Energy Connect studio at ADIPEC 2025, right here in the heart of Abu Dhabi. I'm delighted to have sitting next to me in the studio today, Robin Waite, Fire Protection and Technical Lead at AkzoNobel. Thank you so much, Robin, for joining us today.
You're welcome.
To start off, can you talk to us about Chartek 2218E and why is it being called the next generation of epoxy PPF? What makes it such a breakthrough for the industry?
Well, on many projects, there's a real growing need for effective and efficient 2-hour pool fire protection as part of oil and gas assets. And for 2218E, it really delivers that best of class. So in productivity terms, with respect to our next best solution, it's 3 millimeters less, so only 2/3 of the thickness. And that means it can be put on very simply, very robustly, and to give sort of really class-leading productivity.
You have listed a lot of efficiency gains as well as fewer hours, lower costs. How are you able to achieve all those benefits without compromising on performance?
Yes, well, Chartek 2218E is based on Chartek 2218 platform, and that has got a decade of experience in the marketplace. It has been applied on some iconic oil and gas assets around the world with brilliant performance. And so we're very confident that Chartek 2218E will deliver the same, but with enhanced, the E stands for enhanced, properties.
That's good to know. And sustainability is a major focus area for you at AkzoNobel.
Yes.
How does Chartek 2218E support that?
Oh, there are so many facets in how Chartek 2218E improves on sustainability. For a start, as I mentioned, so much less material that needs to be applied, which means not just less use of resources, but less use of energy, less use of manpower. And also actually the product cures at quite low temperatures, which means we don't need to heat the shop very much. But sustainability is much more than that. You need confidence that the product is going to work for the long term. And we believe that if you can get a product on well within the schedule, then you get a much more robust, higher quality endpoint. And we at AkzoNobel have had solutions that have worked offshore for 50 years, so we really know what it takes to actually generate class-leading durability performance.
That's an excellent point. And you spoke about the legacy of AkzoNobel for the last 5 decades, which has also involved a lot of partnerships and close collaborations. This particular product was also developed in close collaboration with fabricators and asset owners. So talk to us more about that process.
Well, in relation to applicators and engineers, that people want solutions which are simple to apply. Simplicity has been the thing that's driven us, both for Chartek 1, which we launched, our flagship product which we launched last year, but also for 2218E. And so simplicity in design is actually the key message we get back. That's how they can be assured that they minimize risks when they're installing it, and how owners can be assured they get the best possible quality for the long term. And that's what we've been really driving to do. So for Chartek 2218E, we modify the steel with Charlocks, very simple, fast process to do, and then we just put one coat on for a 2-hour pool fire protection, and we're finished. And it doesn't get much simpler than that.
And here at ADIPEC, as well as after the launch of the product, I'm sure you've heard back from your customers and your partners on the product, as well as how it's setting a benchmark for the industry.
Yeah, one of the key areas, one of the real plus points for 2218E and Chartek 1 is the ease of application. It's superb spraying properties, film development, holding up at high film thickness where it's needed, but also being able to achieve the mix ratio quickly has all been a real plus point for them. Handleability has been shown to be good, and clients really like the performance qualification credentials this product has. I mean, at AkzoNobel, we believe in the power of a range of products, and really our clients want products that simply meet all of their main points, which they identify in design or for the lifetime of their asset.
Robin, it's been such a pleasure talking to you. Thank you for your insights and for coming down to the Energy Connect studio, and wish you continued success with all your product portfolios.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, and you can get more interviews like this and comprehensive coverage of the energy industry at energyconnect.com. I'll be back with more studio interviews from ADIPEC 2025. Until then, goodbye.